Am I audible to all of you? Am I audible to all of you? Hi, this is Shorvik here. Am I audible to all of you? Uh, Please let me know writing that if it is audible and video is visible. Please let me know. Hello. क्या हो रहा है यार? Am I audible to all of you? Hello. ठीक है. Yeah. So this was a very highly negative week, and the factor is that it went so much negative compared to other markets that it is very difficult to understand why it is happening like this. Like if you can see, this is the weekly candle. So this is the first weekly candle after in the Dow after Donald Trump has left, and it is trying to find support around 30,000 level. Now, what market will do? Will this be the end of the bull cycle? That we will know over a period of time. But keep an eye on the 30,000 level into the Dow Jones, because if this level is broken, we can generally see a very sharp fall into the market, into the global market. Now, before going into this, let me look into this also. This is dollar index. So this is the US dollar index future. Now, the factor is that this 91 remains a level of, if I take it to 4 hourly, you will understand. Today, the discussion that we are going to have is on a broader scale, okay? Because it is certainly not possible for me to understand what the market is going to do based on the budget. The fall that has happened, I'm terribly surprised that this fall could happen. 6 days, almost 1,000 point in Nifty. This was beyond my imagination, but this has happened. Mm. So now this is the dollar index you are seeing. So once you start trading about 91 to be precise, you will see a kind of a very sharp rally, like $2 from 91, that is 93. In that case, Nifty would be easily falling towards 12,000 or lower. Okay, so this formation is lasting in nothing is certain into the market, but it will happen with higher probability. But what I am trying to say is that, see, this is looming quite large into the dollar index in front of us, so have an eye on this. Okay. Now, this is the weekly chart of Dow Jones. It is kind of near support zone, and there is a possibility that if it stays above 31,300, it can go higher also. That we will know later. Now, in terms of Nifty, the way it has broken down, it is highly probable that 10 to 12,900 would come. It is highly probable, but Nirmala Sitharaman, okay, like the kind of thing she does is that once if this level is broken, if this level is broken, you can easily see that this level is broken on the upside, that is 12,000, 14,100. You can again see that kind of candle. Like last time, she created such a candle, Nirmala Sitharaman candle. People used to talk about this. I think this candle. at that point of time, or rather this, yeah, this candle. I think it was a big daily candle. Let me look at Nifty daily chart. Wow. So one dangerous candle she has created that day. Not these ones, but I am not able to recall which candle, but there was a couple of days of very strong rally into the market, which she triggered last time when she was on the air. I think these were the two when market went up, or maybe somewhere here, and then the market gave in, and then market started going up again. So, given the kind of reputation she has, it is not impossible for that also, but otherwise 12,900 is highly probable. I don't want to discuss about stocks. Bank Nifty, I will discuss a little bit. So, Bank Nifty is trying to take a support again. What she announces on the NPA front, this can be a kind of support area, but if this goes, Bank Nifty can easily fall a lot. Bank Nifty can fall towards 28,000. Okay. So these things can happen. Nobody knows what will happen on the budget day. And I will ask all of you to not take very substantial trade on the budget day, because anything can happen on the budget day. Okay. One thing is that the Indian market has completely decoupled. Nifty Bank is there. I will only discuss one stock today, that is Reliance Industries. See, this is a breakdown, and possibly below 1830, it can sharply pull back to 1600. Okay, so have a look at this. Apart from that, I will only look at sectoral indices. Actually, no indices is worth taking any view right now. Nifty Auto, bearish engulfing in weekly. Nifty IT, again weak. Everything is weak this week, and will depend on the budget. So don't want to look into much more into this, because the factor is that next week post Tuesday, because Monday there will be budget, and Tuesday market will adjust to the budget expectation what she will be telling. So post Tuesday, try to have a view on this dollar index and Dow, and I will post both in club and in TMP that how to trade. So we'll start trading in TMP from Wednesday. Tuesday till Tuesday we are off. We won't take much trades. So any questions I'm happy to answer, because I don't have many things to discuss today. I really don't have anything to discuss today because of the situation of the event at the budget. Now, given her reputation, she can push the market to 14,800 also, or put directly to 13,000. Nobody knows. 12,900 is the kind of level Nifty can come. Pharma sector, well, see, pharma sector don't have any view. I don't want to give any view on any sector, because budget can do anything to this sector. Okay, near very important support. Now, if budget is good, it can bounce. You can see the support as 12,150. Yes, more questions, please. Yeah, if it breaks 1800, you can sell and wait. Once it goes above, hello. This week, no question for next week. Nobody can give. Infi we discussed, but I think Infi has also fallen a lot. Yeah, yeah. 1330 it was. It has fallen 6-7%. It can come to 1156. That would be very good level to re-enter. You kept purchasing every day to average your overall investment. See, the fact is that this is the worst way of trading. Investing it is okay for good companies, and in fee probably it would be okay. But uh, the factor is that if you are talking about investing, never average against your price. But being it in fee, possibly it will it can go much above your investment price also. Prasad ji. Okay, HCL Tech, someone is asking next support. See, someone is asking about my expectation of the budget day. See, with Nirmala Sitharaman, I am not being prejudiced, but it is very difficult to have. See, 875 in HCL Tech to have a very early understanding of where she can lead to. Individual stock I'm not going to take. Sorry, I took SCL take, but individual stock I'm not going to take because there is no point discussing these things ahead of budget. So I won't be taking. I will just want all of you to limit your trading exposure till Friday, and after Friday, try to sorry till Tuesday. After Tuesday, trade as normal in either direction. The market will give you opportunity. So lower level Nifty is 12,900. Upper level is 14,100. And on the budget day itself, you can see these two levels. So everything is possible. Okay, so let us stop this discussion here. What I will try to arrange such a similar session on Tuesday evening after the dust is settled, so that we can have a good idea for how to trade Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and we will again have on Friday. Let us end this session today. That will be a better thing to do. Okay. Thanks. All the best. Bye bye. Yeah, crude. Someone asked. Crude is a very narrow range. If you see, if I'm going to daily chart, it is in a very narrow range. On a longer time horizon, it is a very good level to buy, and possibly crude is going towards 70. That is my opinion. If it sustains above 55, 56. Thank you. Chalo. All the best. Bye. Take care. Let us watch the budget. Bye.